This guide will help you adjust the graphics settings in Elden Ring for an optimal gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your visual performance. Step 1. Access the main menu. Launch Elden Ring and navigate to the main menu. From here, select the Options tab to access the settings. Step 2. Select Graphics Settings. Within the Options menu, find and click on the Graphics Settings. This section contains all the visual options you can modify. Step 3. Adjust Resolution. Look for the resolution settings. Choose a resolution that matches your monitor's native resolution for the best clarity, or lower it if you need better performance. Step 4. Modify quality settings. Explore the various quality settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings according to your hardware capabilities to balance performance and visuals. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save and apply the changes. Exit the menu and start your game to see the effects of your new settings. By following these steps, you can easily customize the graphics settings in Elden Ring to suit your preferences and improve your gaming experience. Enjoy your adventure in the lands between.